In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage clients within Clickup by leveraging its powerful organizational features like folders, lists, and tasks. This will help you structure client interactions and streamline workflows seamlessly. Let's begin with organization. You can start by creating folders for each client. Think of these folders as the overarching containers for everything related to a specific client. Within these folders, you can then set up lists dedicated to different services or projects you're working on with that client. Inside each list, you can go even further by creating individual tasks for specific actions that need to be taken. This hierarchical structure keeps client work neatly organized. Now, for a bit of added control. ClickUp allows you to make folders and lists private. This means you can control client access and share only the information that is necessary. You can further enhance collaboration by inviting clients as guests. This way, they can interact with specific lists or tasks without viewing everything. Let's move on to communication and collaboration. One of the great features in ClickUp is the ability to use comments within tasks for client communication and feedback. This way, all conversations regarding a particular task remain organized and easy to follow. Additionally, you can create and share documents directly in ClickUp. It's an efficient way to engage in collaborative planning and share necessary information with your clients. Another handy tool at your disposal is dashboards. These are incredibly useful for providing your clients with a comprehensive overview of their projects and the progress being made. To make communication even more seamless, consider setting up automations. Automations can handle recurring tasks, send reminders, and manage notifications, ensuring that no client request goes unanswered promptly. Moreover, integrating your email with ClickUp can be a game changer. By doing this, you centralize client communication, making it easier to manage everything from one hub. Now let's touch on templates and views. ClickUp's Client Management SOP template is a fantastic way to standardize workflows and deliver consistent service to your clients. Utilizing different views like the table, calendar, or Gantt chart can help visualize client data, track progress, and manage timelines effectively. And don't forget custom fields, which are perfect for tracking specific client information, such as their goals, preferences, or contract details. Tracking and reporting are next on our list. With ClickUp Goals, you can track client satisfaction and measure the success of your services. Generating reports allows you to analyze client data, track performance, and identify any areas that might need improvement. The ClickUp Client Tracker can help monitor client health, spot potential churn risks, and manage client life cycles effectively. Finally, let's streamline your workflows. Set up recurring tasks for routine check-ins and follow-ups. Take advantage of ClickUp's automation features to automate repetitive tasks. By mapping task dependencies in Gantt view, you can visualize the project timeline and ensure everything is completed in the correct order. By implementing these strategies, you'll master client management, improve communication, and elevate the overall client experience with ClickUp seamlessly